Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is partial fractions and subtopic is type 2, resolving into partial fractions when the denominator contains repeated linear factors. Partial fractions. Method 2. Objectives. Resolve the rational fraction into partial fractions when the denominator contains repeated linear factors. The first problem, resolve x square minus 3x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into partial fractions. Solution, put x equal to 1, put x minus 1 equal y, that is x equal to y plus 1. X square minus 3x plus 3 divided by x minus 1 whole cube is equal. Now write in the place of x, we substitute y plus 1 whole square minus 3 into y plus 1 plus 3 by y cube. After completing the simplification, we get y square minus y plus 1 by y cube. Then we have to divide it numerator by denominator. We get 1 by y minus 1 by y square plus 1 by y cube. Now we have to substitute again y equal to x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube. Resolve x cube minus 5 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 into partial fractions. Here we have both repeated and non-repeated linear factors in the denominators. You observe here x minus 1 whole cube. X minus whole cube is the repeated linear factor. X minus 2 is the non-repeated linear factor. Let x cube minus 5 divided by x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 is equal a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube. Here how many factors are there? 3 factors. That is what? One is the repeated linear factor, another one is non-repeated linear factor. Repeated linear factor is 3 times. So that we write a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube plus d by x minus 2. X minus 2 is the non-repeated linear factor. Here we can do the simplification, that is after completing the LCM part, we have x cube minus 5 is equal to a into x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 2 plus d into x minus 1 whole cube. Put x equal to 1 in the above equation, we get c equal to 4. Put x equal to, we get d equal to 3. Comparing the coefficient of x cube, we get a plus d equal to 1. A equal to 1 minus d is equal 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Comparing constant term, minus 2a plus 2b minus 2c minus d equal to minus 5. Substituting a, c, d, we get b equal to 1. Now the final result, we have x cube minus 5 by x minus 1 whole cube into x minus 2 is equal. Here a value is what? A is equal to minus 2 by x minus 1, b is equal to 1, so that we write 1 by x minus 1 whole square, the c is equal to 4 by x minus 1 whole cube, the d is equal to 3, then write 3 by x minus 2. Now we go to the third problem. Resolve 3x square plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square into 1 minus 2x into partial fractions. Let 3x square plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square 1 minus 2x is equal. We have to write in partial fraction format. Here also the denominator is one factor is repeated, another one is non-repeated. Repeated factor is x minus 2 whole square, only the 2 times is there. So that how to write the partial fraction format? We see here a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2 whole square plus c by 1 minus 2x. Now we do the LCM part. We have 3x square plus x minus 2 is equal a into x minus 2 into 1 minus 2x plus b into 1 minus 2x plus c into x minus 2 whole square. Put x equal to, we get b is equal to minus 4. Put x equal 1 by 2, we get c equal to minus 1 by 3. Comparing coefficients of x square, we get minus 2a plus c equal to 3. Substituting the value of c, we get a equal to what? Minus 5 by 3. Now the final result, we get 3x square plus x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 whole square. 1 minus 2x is equal minus 5 by 3 into x minus 2 minus 4 by x minus 2 whole square minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 2x. Okay, we go to the summary. We have discussed about resolving the rational fraction into partial fractions when the denominator contains non-repeated and repeated linear factors. Now we go to the quiz. If in this one, the first question, if 3x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 1 is equal a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 1 whole square, then a equal minus 1 by 2, 15 by 4, 7 by 4, minus 1 by 4. What is the answer? 7 by 4. Second question, as the sum of how many partial fraction can write x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole power 8. The option A is 8, option B is 2, option C is 7, option D is none. What is the answer? What is the answer? 2. Now we go to the assignment. Resolve 1 by x cube into x minus 2 into partial fractions. Here one is the repeated factor, another one is non-repeated. Second question, resolve x square plus 13x plus 15 divided by 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 whole square into partial fraction. Here also in the denominator part, one factor is repeated, one factor is not repeated. Resolve number 3, resolve 9 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square into partial fraction. One is the repeated, another one is non-repeated. Number 4, resolve x square by x minus 2 whole square x plus 1 into partial fraction. Here also the same way, x minus 2 whole square, one repeated factor, another one is non-repeated factors. Okay, this is the topic about the non-repeated linear factor, then how to find out in partial fraction, how to resolve into partial fractions, then how to write the format of the partial fraction. We'll learn about this topic. Okay, you have to solve these 4 problems, are very important. Do you know about how to solve in partial fractions? Okay, thank you very much.